Today, I'm gonna show you how to grow lemon from seeds. Let's get started. First, get the seeds from the lemon. I washed the seeds to remove slime. Now, I'm drying it with a paper towel. Once dried, peel the outer coverings of the seeds for it to germinate faster. Here is the peeled seed. I'm gonna put them into a moist paper towel. Observe proper spacing. Fold the paper towel and put it inside a Ziploc. Put this into a sunny location and wait for a few days.
1 week later.
Today, I'm gonna check out the seeds inside the Ziploc. Look at the leaves and roots developing. It's time to plant them in the pot now. Prepare the pots and poke a hole about ½ inch deep. Open the Ziploc and carefully take out the seeds. Then place a seedling on each pot. And cover it with soil. Spray it with water.
Three days later.
Check out my lemon seedlings. This is the biggest one.